stand up and talk at y'all.
Dave's gonna talk at y'all.
And then everyone's going to talk at me. It's going to be great.
What he said.
And then Ted's going to talk and all kinds of good
And
things.
you're all gonna feel bad, but then you're gonna feel good again.
Ted makes you feel bad. I just stand here. It's the perk of being Mr. President. So we are February 27th. We're almost to March. Good fun times. Yeah.
No.
Yes. But that means spring break.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go somewhere cool for that. This past week, not a whole lot happened. There was an outreach event last Friday at Viewmont High School. That was cool. It was with Northrop Grumman kids. I call them kids. They're like PhD engineers, but they are remarkably bad at talking to children. It is kind of fun to watch. Like they're engineers. Yeah, but it's true. They would. It's true.
They're actually not kids because if they were, they could talk.
So, in other outreach events, we have Cole, Katie, and I. Katie was on the team last year. Went to Parkview Elementary last year and we did the lesson in applied physics, which sounds more impressive than it was. It was like
it was to second
forces.
graders, too.
Yeah, applied physics to second graders. I broke out the reactor talk. It was very, very fun. It was for second graders. It was mostly applied motion. So like, if you have two people pick something up, it's easier to pick up. If you have a robot driving on Mylar, it's not going to drive. That type of stuff. They contacted us again, and they're looking for someone to come out and teach. They weren't quite sure when they want us there, either a Monday or a Thursday, and everything's up in the air. We're going to try and poll to see when will work for people. It's up in, where is that? Hilton?
Up north by half an hour. You go around the bend in the rock. And
Up north. It's not a quick drive. It'd be a day
it's like
type of thing.
near Farmington-ish.
So we are looking for people who are interested in that, and we'll post something on Outreach here in a little bit. Purchase orders. We have money. We can buy things now. Well, soon. Our purchase order person is out of town at the conference, but starting next week, we'll be able to get orders in. Because of that, we don't really have build sessions planned for this weekend, since a lot of people are waiting on things to show up, like either parts coming from McMaster or what have you. So we're going to play that by ear tomorrow for mobility and electrical and programming. If they say come on Saturday, come on Saturday. But right now, assume we don't have anything going this weekend. Other than that, let's get on with an update for general things. Ben, where do we stand with mobility?
So we mounted the second side. It should be able to stand without hubs and whatnot. Probably not well, but it'll stand. Sebastian was remodeling the hubs so that they are better. We spent most of our last meeting trying to machine the centers of the hubs, but we were having issues getting it centered. So basically, in our output shaft from our gearbox goes onto an aluminum hex shaft, and then a bolt on the end of that in order to hold the hub on. And in order to make it so our wheels don't oscillate, we needed that input shaft to be like centered to the middle of that hub. And the only tools we had to deal with to make holes was a drill press. Trying to center things on hex shaft with a drill press is fucking hard. So we got some of them pretty center, but not exactly center. So I think I'm going to hit up one of my friends that has a lathe.
Yeah, we're going to need to go over to Isaac's shop.
Yeah.
I was going to say Isaac probably.
Because he has a lathe, and we can just throw it in there really quick.
Yeah, he's got a baby lathe.
Yeah, and they're only like that long of hex shaft. Like it'll totally work.
Okay, I don't know if he's ever turned that thing on, but
It used to be Mark's. So.
It's fine. It works.
okay.
It'll work for this at least.
And then the wheels were slightly wrong. They had a 200 millimeter wheel, and then the treads were built out from that, so much so that one, it wouldn't fit on a Prusa, and two, they would have hit the goosenecks. So Sebastian is changing those and making the hubs. I let him to do both of those things because the hubs need to fit the wheels, and if we have two people working on them, that's very possible that we misscale things or whatever. But he's been super busy, but he said that he'd have them all for me tonight, so I can start printing them tonight and have them, at least one of them, to put on for tomorrow during mobility.
Sounds
But
good.
all of the encoders should be able to go on if electrical wants to do that.
Anything else?
anything from Digger?
James?
So we've been making some good progress on Digger. We're one of the many teams that has lots of stuff on the purchase order list right now. Biggest thing we've been working on, I feel like, is the motor switching out. So we've got that tiny little crappy motor, the $10 motor that we got. So we're switching it out for a big honking motor.
It feels this.
It fits in that sucker. So that's the new housing for it. And we're looking for new pulleys and belts so we can get it turning at the proper speed. But hopefully with the new motor, torque won't be an issue. So once we get the motor clipped up, then we should be able to do a lot more digging. We've been designing a tensioner as well, because as long as we've got belt, we know we're going to have issues with tensioning it. So we've been having some iterations going on with the tensioner as well. And I think that's most of what we're doing.
Yeah.
We're converting our shafts over to steel shafts as well. So trying to sturdy things up a little bit.
Cool. Tina.
We didn't do a whole lot this week. We wired up a few things on the robot, and then we talked to Sasha. I think Ben had left by that point about moving the homing switch just to the side so that we don't have to have the wires around 180 because that was not working so well. But just figuring out wiring management and stuff. So, but we're basically ready to wire everything up.
Cool, cool.
Does anyone know where the other bunch of programming members are? Did they quit?
What other bunch of programming members?
Well, 'cause right now I only see 1.5. I'm kind of use a half because you're electrical and software. I'll guess maybe 2. Okay, like
2.5.
you're a little bit of everything. So we have anywhere from 1 to 5, and we had a lot more than that. So I'm not sure if they just quit or if they're at midterms. But
Yeah.
because of that, programming's been a little slow.
But Logan, I know you said you had midterms last week, and that's kind of slammed you. But last week we did make some good plans for the future of autonomy, and
Yep.
we talked to Nathan about the URDIF. And
Oh, that thing.
yeah, the magical file we need to make Ross know what our robot looks like, so we don't hit
Not a
things.
file, it is a file format and a library for dealing with the file format.
What he said.
We'd get Amy up and running for the Parkside Elementary thing, and that's a 2-year-old robot, so this is going to be legacy programming.
That's you.
And whoever else wants to please help
What
me.
does that
I'll
actually
help
do?
you.
I might be
So it's basically grabbing a Git repo from the depths of the internet and then putting it on the reprogrammed Jetson, making sure everything works, and then handing it off to the outreach team. Because for some reason our Jetson got corrupted. Probably because of the Sparky Spark that somebody did while at a planetarium.
Hey. I just smelt it burning, okay?
Sparky, Sparky.
That wasn't the
Not
that
boom,
wasn't any
thankfully.
wires though. That
Yeah.
was just the casing on the battery.
Just the casing on the battery. I mean,
Nothing
But
bad
we'll
can
probably
happen.
do that either tomorrow or if you want to come in on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, we can do that.
we can also get started on
new
it
battery
tonight.
for that?
We
What?
have working batteries for it. We have 2.
Any questions for the software team from electrical or mechanical people? Like we're kind of in limbo right now. So
In fact, overall, does like anybody have
stepper
any,
motors work?
what about like
Yeah.
you're asking, do they work?
Yeah, well, I know that they work. Are they
Like, we have-
programming have
Yeah, we have-
them all functioning?
Yeah, we have code for them. We haven't gotten a chance. We've tested running and calibrating one of them. We haven't got a chance to try running all of them.
Okay.
so integration.
Yeah, all of
testing
the
is gonna
steppers
be
are on and should be fine.
Okay.
All of the drive motors, I believe, are in and should be fine.
So
There's
we
one
just got to
case
move our Jetson over there and
Yeah, we need to start doing integration testing.
some screwy,
Right.
screwy, wiry, sparky, sparky.
Yeah.
For sure.
Agile checks? What do you want to do? Your first?
Yeah, quick systems little note. You may have noticed today in the general channel, Brian Phillip posted a survey.
And then Josh did again.
Yeah. And if you guys would be cool enough to go fill those out, that'll help us out a lot and give us material for the systems paper. and help NASA think we're the smartest engineers in the nation.
How cool does it make us?
Oh, so like dog wearing sunglasses on a snowboard cool.
I'm done.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna do this.
So quick question about Slack. How do you get a new line message?
Shift
Enter.
enter.
Okay.
Yeah, I noticed that you just added a bunch of spaces.
Or you can just make 7 messages.
No.
We all get a notification every single message.
Yes,
sent.
if you can utilize new lines as much as possible, that's great.
Also
Cole.
use threads.
Yes, thread.
Yeah.
Thread is a new lines, everyone. Yes.
Multi-threading's hard though. But
Yeah.
do you want to do an agile check-in?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do the thing.
Let's hit
Yeah,
the
we
magic
haven't
button.
changed anything. Just consider mobility done.
Click, and then if we come over here and hit Alt Tab.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Okay.
So I noticed that James was mean, put me on here without telling me. The little green box is me. I'm checked. So OrgSync is the university's kind of management system for student clubs. And when we were planning on going to Florida, we needed travel funding and do that through OrgSync, so I had to update that. That's so important now. But we still have to update it, which is being done. Part of that update is the college and the team advisors classifying what type of organization we are, if we're funded, if we're sponsored, if we're super sponsored. So that's what Dr. Rogers is working on. Everything for that is set. We're just waiting for Dr. Rogers to get us our funding number.
Do we want to leave that on hold then, or do you want to move it to rejected?
My one box gets rejected. Just leave it on hold.
All right. Stepward motor Arduino control is still in progress because we have not integrated it yet.
No, we have not. Oh, other one thing, the systems engineering pair. Josh created some new testing metrics for Digger and mobility. And did you make one for autonomy stuff?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. We have those in a spreadsheet. I'll get those to you guys tonight so you kind of know what to be testing for when we get this thing in the dirt.
Yeah. So there's actually a podcast from Kennedy Space Center where they're talking about dirt and like there's two people on there. One's like, oh yeah, when we go up and dig the dirt on Mars, regolith, Cheryl. It's regolith. I'll have to find it and post it on Slack for you guys.
For nothing else, I'm gonna beat that word into your head.
Dirt, Dave. It's all dirt.
PDB design is still in progress because it's stupid. Power nodes. The circuit design software is not the best.
Is Alex here?
No.
We gave up.
Battery procedures. Hey Tina, how's the battery procedures doing?
Lots of tests.
All right. POSIX power system still in progress. POSIX is still in limbo progress right
Yeah,
now.
POSIX is a question mark at this point, and we may not
yeah.
actually need it that badly.
Yeah.
Because we're not going to a real competition anymore.
So study URDF is being done by Jonathan right now.
Hey,
Is it-
Jonathan, how is the studying of URDF coming along?
So it's still in progress.
And more tomorrow, more tomorrow.
Good answer.
I have a tab open.
We're gonna something else
Um,
tomorrow. I tell you.
Zed Point Cloud still in progress. RoboClaw driver,
You have better ways.
sure. Digger node. All these are. I don't think anything's really changed, has it?
Like I said, it's been a pretty slow week.
I don't
Yeah.
think so.
And then all this stuff is still in progress.
Did we give something on the Z point cloud to Josh?
Did we?
Yeah. It is.
Josh is doing everything.
Okay. Cool.
Cool. Then all this stuff, this is still in progress because it is.
Continue living.
What?
Rejected.
Yeah, that was when we were trying to teach them how tasks worked, and they had a little bit too much fun with it.
Some Bradley died, but
Yeah.
The last one
That's
was
Jesus.
so.
just one job.
But yeah. So, is that it? Nothing's changed.
Nothing's
Yeah.
really changed.
Dude, we're
Should we just-
killing it.
Yeah. Hey, it's better
Killing
to stay
something.
stationary than it is to
Go
move
back- go
backwards. So.
yeah. General update for admin. We're
Yeah.
talking to Portland and Washington on March 4th, which is next Monday.
Oh.
yeah.
So if you guys have any questions for either of them, let us know.
At what time?
7. 7 until whenever.
Because time zones are fun.
True.
And they know many things about the rocker bogey.
Well, one of
used
I don't
to-
trust it.
What?
Sabotage.
March March
Earth is
1st.
flat.
Ask them about the shaft across.
Oh yeah. March 1st is when NASA's going to be releasing data on, or they said they let us know more about what's going on. I mean, RMC is still virtual, but there's going to be like what they're doing in Florida instead, that type of shit. So I will make an announcement when they let me know. General updates for what other teams are doing. Alabama's competition seems to be moving forward. About 32 schools replied, so it looks like they're going to make their thing happen. They had another poll that kind of confirmed things, so I'll let you know what goes on with that. Also, Embry-Riddle, which is Daytona Beach in Florida, they're an aerospace school. They are trying to team up with Dr. Metzger, my favorite person ever. He's one of the judges at RNC. So Dr. Metzger, UCF, and I think it's Community College of Florida to do their own thing as well. So there might be a couple competitions to keep an eye on. And I will keep everyone in the loop. Until then, let's try and buy some stuff and build something cool.
If our robot has autonomy, can it just drive itself?
Do you think we should buy creeping too?
None of us have to do.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be
On the side of the road, just
Cool.
going around.
the DuPonts and the
Yep.
power.
Get stolen.
That's why we need to change that.
Power poles are
gearing
gonna be super
ratio.
expensive. Wait, no. Wait, power poles. We're not using power poles.
Unless any of my admins got anything else, let's break up mechanical towards where shit's in the lab. So let's head down to the new lab. I'm not sure where programming's gonna go.
Programming, we're gonna migrate